everyone, it's Erin here at Sherwood Park Hyundai, and I'm going to take you for a walk around this 2018 Kia Optima LX. This four-door front-wheel drive sedan comes with projection-style headlights. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It comes on a set of Nexen tires on 16-inch rims. And here we are on the driver's side. You see that it does have signal light indicators on the side mirrors. As well, the mirrors do fold in. This car comes with a flip key fob, lock and unlock, press and hold to open the trunk, as well as a panic button. And having a look here at the driver's side door panel, you see that it does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. And inside the vehicle, it has a beautiful black cloth seating throughout. Nice and comfortable. Beautifully detailed by our detailing department. It smells like a brand new car in here. Alright, here we are inside this vehicle. Let's start her up and get the AC going. Alright, so as I mentioned, it is a 2018. It has 30,745 kilometers on it. And having a look here at the steering wheel, you see that it does have hands-free Bluetooth talk, volume control, you have flipping between different radio stations, you have cruise control, and then here it controls what you see on the dash. And over here to the left of the steering wheel, we have a couple buttons. We have our brightness control for the interior dash lights. We have the gas cap release, trunk release, as well as you can turn traction control off from here. Having a look at the steering wheel, this is the headlight toggle. You are able to switch it to auto for the headlights, so you can set them and forget them. They'll turn on automatically when it gets dark enough outside. And then over here we have our other toggle that controls the windshield wipers. Alright, so having a look here at the entertainment center, we have a lovely CD player up top. We have the screen here, you have your 6 presets. You're able to hook up your phone, Bluetooth, or MP3 player. Your volume dial, and you push it to turn on and off the music. And you have your tuning dial over here. Going down, we're going past 2 lovely air vents that are blowing beautiful AC air on me right now. And you can see here where the heating and cooling is controlled. You have where the air hits you, front and rear defrost, AC, which I'm utilizing right now, temperature control, as well as air vent control for speed. Going down here, so this actually is a nice hidden compartment. It hides 2 12-volt outlets, an auxiliary jack, and a USB. You just give that a push, and it slides right back. So as I mentioned, this is a 6-speed automatic. We have some extra storage right here. 2 lovely cup holders. 2 heated front cloth seats for you and your passenger, and you can turn on and off drive mode. Here is the lovely center armrest. Flip it up, and you have some more storage in there for you to utilize. And having a look up here, you see that it does have push interior lights. It does have a sunglasses holder for you to use. And the middle button here controls when the lights turn on, if you want them on or off when the doors open and close. And going over here to the lovely sun visor, nice and wide, just the way I need it because I am short. So if we open it up, we do have an automatic light that goes on, and you can see me in the mirror. But this mirror is nice and handy for the driver, and a handy handle. Yes, I went there. All right, so we are now going into the back seat. It does have power windows. A little hard to see with the sun, but we do have power windows here for your backseat passengers. We have the lovely Vinyl kick plate for any little feet that like to kick, and a handy map holder. And having a look here, beautiful interior in the back, lots of leg room for your backseat passengers. Lovely white accent stitching, a little difficult to see with the sun. Let me see if I can get a good shot for you. There we go. Lovely white accent stitching on the seats. Raised center armrest with 2 cup holders for your backseat passengers. Alright, so we're coming around to the back of this 2018 Kia Optima LX. We're going to open the trunk. You can open it a couple ways. The button to the left of the steering wheel, or we're going to do it press and hold the button here on the key fob. Pops open nice and easy for you. Lifts up. Having a look in here, nice spacious interior. Lots of room for storage, groceries, basically whatever you would need to store back here. And if you do want to put down the back seats, you can do so by pulling this toggle here. Give that a pull and it will release the back seat. And we're just going to grab it and pull it down, just in case you need to store something a bit longer in here, maybe a pair of skis or something along those lines. Nice and easy for you. Alright, so you can fold down both seats. The other one has a toggle right there for you. Handy handle yet again right there. Alright, so we are coming to the end of our vehicle walk around of this 2018 Kia Optima LX 4-door sedan. This vehicle is on the lot here at Sherwood Park Hyundai. It's a beautiful car, low mileage, a lot of life left in it, perfect for road trips or just driving around the city. It's a sharp looking car, perfect for any business professional or basically anyone who wants to look good driving on the streets. Alright, so come on down to Sherwood Park Hyundai, take this car for a test drive. If you love it, take it home, park it right on your driveway.